Hey everyone, welcome back to Think Money Daily, where we master your money mindset and build wealth smarter. So, in today's video, I'm diving deep into the 10 money lessons I truly wish I had learned in my 20s and 30s. These aren't just theories, these are lessons that I've lived through, sometimes painfully, and I want to help you avoid the same mistakes. Some of these themes are hard earned through trial and error. Others came from reading, mentorship, and experience. But one thing for sure, if I had known this earlier, I would be financially free a whole lot sooner. So, whether you are in your early 20s or late 30s, or even beyond, you will take something powerful from this. Alright, so let's start. Lesson 1: Start saving yesterday. Let's kick it off with the most obvious, but most overlooked lesson. Start saving yesterday. If I could go back in time, I would open a high yield savings account the day I got my first paycheck. Not to save for a vacation or a car, but to build a financial habit. The earlier you save, the more your money works for you through compound interest. Even small amounts matters. Let's say you just save $100 per month, starting at age 22. By 40, with just a 7% annual return, you would have over $50,000. If you wait until you're 30 to start, you would have about half of that same amount. The time you lose is the wealth you never get back. Don't think you need a big salary to start. Saving is about discipline, not dollars. Lesson 2: Credit cards aren't free money. I remember my first credit card. It felt powerful, exciting, like I would finally made it. So I spent and spent and ignored the interest. Big mistake. I treated it like free money, but all I really did was pay extra for things I couldn't afford. It took me years to pay off balances that started with simple dinners or online shopping sprees. Here's what I wish I knew. Credit cards are tools, not income. They can help you build credit or earn rewards, but only if you pay them in full every single month. If you carry a balance, you are giving bank free money. Pay attention to your credit utilization, set alerts, and automate payments if you need to. Lesson number 3: Budgeting equals freedom, not restriction. I used to think budgeting means saying no to everything fun. I'll roll my eyes at spreadsheets and avoid tracking my spending. But the truth is, budgeting doesn't trap you, it frees you. It gives your money a job. It tells you what you can do, not just what you can't. A good budget helps you see where your money is going and whether your spending aligns with your values. Want to travel more? Budget for it. Want to save for a house? Your budget is your roadmap. These are tons of tools out there, from apps like YNAB and Mint to go old pen and paper. Find out what works for you and stick with it. Lesson number 4: Don't try to impress people with money. In my 20s, I fell into the trap of performing wealth, buying things I didn't need to impress people who didn't care. New phone every year, designer shoes, lavish birthday dinners, all of it added up, and none of it brought me real happiness. The truth is, the wealth doesn't always look wealthy. Real wealth is quiet. It shows up as peace of mind, not flashy brands. You don't need to put anything in your wallet. Focus on what matters, building assets, not a facade. Lesson number 5: Income alone won't make you healthy. I used to think that getting a high paying job was a secret to success. And sure, a high income helps, but it's not the whole story. There are people earning six figures who are still broke because they spend everything they make. Wealth is about what you keep, not just what you earn. What matters is your savings rate, your spending habits, and your ability to grow and invest your money. Don't just focus on earning more, focus on keeping more and growing it wisely. Lesson number six: financial education never stops. In school, we learn about algebra, poetry, even the mitochondria, but barely anything about how to manage money. I wish I had started reading financial or personal finance books in my teens. Books like The Millionaire Next Door, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and I'll teach you how to be rich opened my eyes to how money really works. And the best part, learning about money is easier than ever. Podcast, YouTube, online courses, audiobooks, it's all available for free. Make financial literacy part of your daily routine. Lesson number seven: automate everything. One of the best habits I developed in my 30s was automating my money. Bills, savings, investments, everything. When money moves automatically, it removes emotion and decision fatigue. I don't have to remember to save. It happens on payday. Set up auto transfers to your savings, automatically contribute to retirement or investment account. You'll be surprised how quickly it adds up when you remove the mental work. Lesson number eight: avoid lifestyle creep. Every time I got a raise, I thought I deserved a lifestyle upgrade, a better phone, a nicer apartment, more dinners out. But that's the trap of lifestyle creep. Your spending grows with your income, you would never build wealth. You just look richer while staying broke. Instead, when your income goes up, keep your spending steady and increase your saving or investing rate. Future, you will thank me. Lesson number nine: emergency funds are non negotiable. Car broke down, job loss, medical surprise. These things happen and they always come at the worst time. That's why you need an emergency fund, not a credit card, not a loan, a real cash cushion. Start with $1,000, then build it up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Put it somewhere accessible, like a high yield savings account. You will sleep better knowing you are protected. Lesson number 10: your mindset shapes your money reality. This one is huge. I didn't grow up hearing you can be wealthy. I heard money doesn't grow on trees and we can't afford that. And for years, I believed that I'd always struggle with money. But mindset is powerful. If you believe you're broke, you would act broke. If you believe you can go, learn, and earn, you will. Start replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Say things like, I'm capable of building wealth. I can attract smart money decisions. Your mindset is the foundation. Everything else is built on top. So, those are the 10 money lessons I wish I learned earlier in life. If you are younger than me, consider this a hard state. If you are around my age or older, it's not too late. You can also start now. Let me know in the comments which of these lessons hits for you. Which one are you going to apply today? If you found value in this video, please like it, subscribe to Think Money Daily, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep, how much you grow, and how aligned your money is your mindset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.